Check this out. We're back with another microphone. This is a tabletop microphone by MAONO. It's the DM20. It retails right now at £36. That's around 47 in US dollars. It has RGB lighting and comes in 3 different colours. With this one today being the black version, indicated by this little yellow sticker. Let's peel it off quick. Ugh, my stomach just grumbled. Did you hear that, guys? Oh. Anyway, as we open the box up, I'll just tell you a few facts about the microphone. So basically, the specifications state that it has ENC noise cancellation, real-time monitoring, adjustment gain, controllable RGB lights, a 1-button mute function, and as you can see, everything in the box comes very well protected within this foam padding. So before we get to look at the MAONO DM20 itself, let's have a look at what accessories we get. Oh, rattle rattle. Is there actually much in this box? Ah, nice. Looks like we've got quite a lengthy standard USB to Type-C power cable. Hang on a minute. James Bond style. It does have an adapter fitted to the end, so it looks like we can use this cable on a mobile phone too. That's a plus point. Well, hopefully. Try it out first. Also in the box, we've got a simple, well, actually it's not simple, it's quite detailed. It's a detailed user manual. It has the setup guide, all the instructions and all the functions, etc. We can also get a little mount. I think that this can, oh yeah, it's an adapter, so it can be used on an aftermarket scissor stand. Let's pull the whole microphone unit out. So it does indeed come with its very own metal pop filter built in. That's very stunning, that is. It has that MAONO logo printed upon it. Very classy. With the branding sitting just below it, right in front of that shock mount. And that shock mount not only can be adjusted up and down just like so, but it also has nice padding to the bottom, where when the whole microphone sat on a flat surface, well, it's not that grippy to be honest. I thought it was going to be grippier. But it does however sit very much, well, quite sturdy. But let's take a closer look at the microphone itself. So the whole unit is rather light. I mean, is it going to be any good? Because this is, I don't know, this is quite astonishing how light it actually is. As you can see to the front of the mic, right down at the bottom just there, we've got a little 3.5mm port. This is for your headphone monitoring. We've got a very unique microphone gain control to the bottom. I really do like this. And as you go right to the top, we've got some RGB lighting controls. Hang on a minute, let me just plug in the cable. And as you can see, now it's connected to our chosen device. The microphone is very much illuminated, and we can now flip through those lighting controls. Ooh, look at that, that's a nice colour. That's very lovely, very aesthetically pleasing. Now it's quite obvious what the last function is, and this one is the microphone mute switch. Well, it's not a switch, it's actually a touch control button. Yes, they're both touch controls. Well, obviously. Now we have tested this on both PC, a laptop, gaming console, and even our mobile phone device. And while pressing that mute button, it will not only work when recording voice recordings, it will also work when making videos. So if you're doing a live video, if you're say doing a makeup tutorial or something like that, and you want to press the mute button, the video will still record, but when you press that microphone mute button, the audio will mute, the video will still go on until you press that button once again. So that's pretty good. But in regards to the overall microphone pickup, well, here is a prime example of what type of quality you should have.
Testing. Yo.
Alright guys, so I'm sat at a real good distance away from the microphone. Let me just get myself comfortable. So this is the seated position that you would normally sit if you want to be relaxed. The one thing you don't want when you buy a microphone is to be sat like this with your hunched back. You don't want a spine problem when you're older, do you? If you compose yourself, just sit relaxed in your seat. Now the microphone pickup isn't too bad, as you can tell. The microphone gain dial is turned up to the max volume. That cable's ding dong dangling. And as you might be able to tell, shh, our laptop's running in the background and the fans are running at high speed. I mean, we've actually listened back to a few video recordings, including some sound recordings too. I'd say that this particular microphone's audio pickup is above average for its price range. It is a condenser microphone and it's got a cardioid pickup pattern, which means it will pick up most of the sound from the front of the microphone, and well, the noise from the rear of the microphone will be silenced somewhat. Well, you can be the judge. Again, fans of my laptop are running at high speed. That's really a nuisance, I tell you that now. And the reason why I'm talking about that background noise, such as the laptop fans, is because when you're buying a microphone like this, especially when you're starting out, you might not consider the noise that may come from your laptop or PC. I mean, as you can tell, I've slowly, in my chair, gone a bit forward with my body. It's just so tempting to go forward close to the microphone. But if you do, don't be afraid about any type of voice distortion. That microphone pop filter to the front, which again is a metal pop filter, it actually does protect against those distortion letters such as the B, P and T letters. P, 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 T, 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 P, P, P. Pick up a passport. Yeah, I need to get one actually. Now, if you're wanting a microphone such as this one today, I do think it's good for any type of podcasting, or in fact, if you're quite the vocalist and you're a good singer. Now, I'm not even going to try singing, no chance. Quite surprised actually, because this microphone today is real light in hand. I really did think that it's just going to be a cheap microphone. We're going to have to adjust the levels and all that, but once it's actually plugged in to our laptop or even our mobile phone, the volume levels are automatically picked up, and we didn't have any type of trouble. It's good that we've got that gain dial underneath, but when it does come to that gain control to the bottom of the microphone, if it is turned up to that max microphone pickup, the higher you go, the more background static you will receive. And I've actually used this over the past couple of hours, making a few videos, so stay tuned for those future videos where I've indeed used the audio using this microphone. Overall, I'm very much surprised at how well this microphone performed. Yes, it is a condenser microphone. It's not going to be one of those big, high expensive microphones that you see on proper professional YouTube channels. But if you're starting out, if you're thinking about doing a simple podcast, any basic video recordings, well, this microphone is actually perfectly quite fine. And I most definitely today can recommend the DM20. We are going to rate it. You know what? We're going to rate it a 9 out of 10. That is obviously basing it within the budget range category. I do like how well built it is, even though it is certainly very light. It does the job. There's not many issues when it comes to distortion, thanks to that little pop filter in front, and I do like the fact that it comes with that little adapter where you can place it on an aftermarket scissor stand. Now, if you have liked this particular product today, don't hesitate, please hit the link in the video description down below. We have actually tested out a few MAONO microphones in the past, and they really do have high quality products at a low price range. Nope, I'm not sponsored. I know it sounds like it is, but I'm not affiliated in any type of way. So whether you buy one or not, it actually personally won't benefit me. I'm just here to suggest what type of microphone might be good for you guys in regards to a startup mic kit. Now, while you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video just now. Not only that, subscribe right now, bearing in mind to hit the bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our very next uploads. It was the gain control, damn it. Didn't have it all the way up. That's what she said. Now, speaking about uploads, some of our past videos are showing on screen just now. I think you might just like this one. Look, another MAONO microphone. Check it out. Nope, that doesn't interest you? Oh, what about this one here then? Go on, just click it, have a little watch. Nope, you still here? Oh well, we'll wait for our very next upload then, will ya? Peace!